Hello students, our today's topic is define GL accounts group. What do you mean by GL account group? So you use account groups to combine accounts by criteria, for example, profit and loss account group, assets account group or material account group. You use the account group to determine the following. What is that? The range or the account numbers can be overlapped. Which fields are required or optional entries when creating and changing master records? When creating and changing master records, which fields can be hidden to control the screen output? So, account group for GL accounts are depend on the chart of account. You can go by path or you can go by transaction code. What is the transaction code for defined GL account groups? OBG4. Or we can go by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, GL Accounts, Preparations or Define Account Group. So, we will define account group. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, GL Accounts, Preparations and Define Account Group. So देखो यहाँ पर we can click on new entries or we can copy it from already available. So you will see position, chart of account int. We will click on this. हमें क्या क्या चाहिए देखो. We will select the fixed assets, liquid funds assets, general ledger accounts, then material management, P&L statement, reconciliation account ready for input, and secondary cost revenue. Then click on copy button and change your chart of account. TRCA. Change TRCA. TRCA. Okay. Delete this from account. And press enter. Then click on save button. Click on create request and enter your description. Define account group. Then click on continue and come back. So this is our group account group.